What's up, guys? You're welcome to another video. Alright, here is the reason why a lot of people think the answer is 1. First, you start with the parentheses, the brackets, of course. So they say 1 plus 1, and that gives us 2. Okay, that gives us 2. And then we have multiplication sign here. We have 3, and then we have division, and then we have 6. All right, this is 6. Now let's say 3 times 2, and that gives us 6. And of course we have 6 here, and 6 divided by 6, the final answer is 1. All right, but this answer is absolutely wrong because we have not followed the order of operation called PEMDAS. Alright, so P stands for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But multiplication and division have equal priority, as well as addition and subtraction have equal priorities. Okay, so in this situation, where did we get it wrong? Whenever you are working with the order of operation, you must solve from left to right. From left to right. So, where did we get it wrong? Let me show you. Let's have the question again. So this is 6 divided by 3 bracket 1 plus 1. Alright, so what do we have here? First of all, we follow the same order, parentheses first. So this is, sorry, and this is what? 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Alright, and we have multiplication, we have 3, division, and 6. Okay, so working from left to right, we have to do 6 divided by 3, and that gives us 2 times 2. And so the final answer is 4. And this is the correct answer. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting my journey on YouTube. Please take me to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video for another fun math quiz game. See you. Bye.